The next word is gadget, meaning a small tool. Usage, the gadget cuts vegetables into fancy shapes. I repeat the word gadget.
You checked all your ID numbers. Are they correct? Are they in order? Shall we start? First word, believable, meaning makes you think that it could be true. Usage, he gave an entirely believable explanation. I repeat the word, believable. Second word, disastrous, meaning causing very great damage. Usage, a disastrous flood occurred last year. I repeat, disastrous. Third word, flamboyant, meaning exceptionally showy in one's appearance. Usage, he is a flamboyant in his speech. I repeat, flamboyant. The last word, liaison, meaning a close relationship between two officials. Usage, a person appointed as a liaison officer. I repeat, liaison.
दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूंटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू?
Ladies and gentlemen, and a very happy evening to all the students and parents. It is a great pleasure to welcome you all for the first state level competition for Aloha English Smart. May I have the honor on behalf of Aloha team to request Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi, who is a professor in IELTS, to come on to the dais and grace her chair. Please give a big hand. May I also request Mr. Ravindranath, who is associated with Aloha team, to come on to the dais, please. And may I request Mrs. Rajni Devi, who is the master franchisee for English Smart, to come on to the dais, please. And may I request Mr. Venkat Raman, who is associated with Aloha team again, to come on to the dais. And lastly, Mr. Vijay Patel, who is the master franchisee for Kinder Start, to come on to the dais and grace his chair. Please come on to the dais. Okay, we'll move on to the next level of this program now. I know you all are tired and you all want to go home as early as possible. And we are on the way, actually. Okay, now I would like to request Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi to light the lamp and inaugurate the presentation ceremony, please. Please give a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, that's a great start with all the lights lighting, and thank you for all the a prayer by RP Road branch students, and they will be coming in a short while. Please be patient with us.
Om Vakratunda Makaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignyam Guruve Deva Sarvakareshi Sarvada Namastutyam Varde Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karashyami Siddhe Bhavatu Me Sada Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
That was a lovely prayer. I think God is here already now, because he listens to the kids rather than us. Okay, now I request Ms. Jyotirmai to have a prayer song, please.
महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम् महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकाधिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकाधिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम्. Thank you.
That was a very lovely prayer song. And now, I request Ms. Kirti to come on to the dais and say a few words about the English program and preamble of English language.
I am going to speak about the preamble of English. These days, English is occupying an important place among Indian languages. The reason behind it is the arrivals of multinational companies in India. English is the link language to have interaction every day among different people. English is one of the common languages which is essential to communicate with. Though English is an international link language, without it we cannot interact even with the people of our own community and country. It has become suitable to the complexity of Indian life. Its use must bear Indians have their own variety of English, because English in India is too restricted in its use owing to its excessive usage in educational institutions, legal codes and administrative purposes. But it has to be made suitable to everyday interaction with common people. Often it is said that English is a foreign language. How can it be a common language when it is spoken and written everywhere all around the world? And it is not the property of any country. A language is the asset of the person who learns it, masters it and uses it as per the requirement in the country, that is India. Now you can imagine how difficult it is for a person to learn all languages. Therefore, English is the link language to interact among different people, which could establish link with many countries. If the matter comes for English language, one will have to learn how to speak, write English to interact with people. All of us like to speak and write English. We endeavor to learn it well with Aloha English Smart. Aloha English Smart books are designed especially for the learner